Hello everyone, we're playing Rabbids Coding today. So, last time we played the level 3, today we're gonna play the level 4. So with the quick go. Mhm. Okay, this is the speech station. You know there are important things in the speech station like paper, machinery, instruments, everything. Somehow, two rabbits get inside the space station. Yeah, these two rabbits. No one knows about it. We need to send them back to the Earth. One day, the scientists saw the rabbits are destroying the important things. They were worried. Then they were thinking how to send the rabbits to the Earth. Then they made a robot. Yeah, this robot. This robot can send the rabbits to the Earth. Today, we're gonna use this robot by programming. Let's go! He definitely can catch with his big arm, right? So we need to go forward first. Yeah, to go forward. Then you need to turn this way. Yeah, in front of the rabbit. Then this is the catch block. You can catch with it. This is the robot arm. You can catch. Let's watch now. Yeah, come here. You start this way. Then it catched it. Yeah, it catched it. Wow. What is the cow doing here? Oh, I know. Okay. He cast it down. He needs to go backward to the washing machine. Yeah. Then he needs to turn 2 times. Let's watch now what happened, okay? Wow. He's catching all of them. Okay. Now, this is the release block. You can release the rabbits into the washing machine. Okay. Let's watch now. Wow. Catch this rabbit. Go backward. Turn 2 times. Then release it. Yes. One rabbit has been sent to the earth. Okay. Now he needs to go backward to here. Then he needs to turn this way. Then we need to go forward here. Let's watch now. Wow. He's catching all the rabbits. Perfect. The rabbits will be gone in no time. Okay. Then another forward will go here. Then he will turn this way. Yeah, in front of the rabbit. You need to turn in front of the rabbit. Then you need to catch it. If you don't turn in front of the rabbit, it will not work. Let's watch now. Oh, come here. Yeah, catch this rabbit. Then go backward and release this rabbit. Get back to your place. Don't ever come here. Okay. Now we need to catch this rabbit. Then we need to go backward. We need to go backward to the washing machine. Then he needs to turn 2 times. Yeah. Turn 2 times. Okay. Okay, why is it not working? Okay, it worked. Let's watch now, guys. Wow. Cat. Oh, the right? That really that. Yeah. Yeah, this is not your place. Your place is the art. Wow. Okay, close. Wow. Okay, let's line up this a little bit. Okay, put the release block. Yes, he will release it. Okay, it will work, guys. Wow. Get out of here, stupid rabbit. Why is the door opening and closing? What's wrong with it? Catch him. Well, close. Yes, it did it. Yay! Guys, this is the end of the video. Bye bye.